It's actually an indictment of the status quo. And I've said this at the forums, and I've said this in many different places. If you are happy as a member of our party with the status quo, there's 5 other candidates that you can support. If you're not happy with the status quo, come on, help me make change. Help us bring back integrity, honorability to the office, and make sure that we hold this government accountable for the actions they've taken over the last 7 or 8 years.
I'm not looking for a job. I am doing this because there is a job to be done. We have, I believe, one of the greatest opportunities that we have ever had in this province in the coming years. It is the role of government to create a great environment for our children to live, work, raise their family. Ladies and gentlemen, if you believe in change, I ask you to vote for Rick Orman, because it is change you can trust. I will not let you down. Thank you.